Cuisinart 77 to 412 Chef's Classic Stainless 4-piece 12-quart pasta steamer set. Stainless steel. Chef's Choice Stainless, mirror finish. Classic looks, professional performance. Unsurpassed heat distribution. Aluminum encapsulated base heats quickly and spreads heat evenly. Eliminates hot spots. Stainless steel for professional results. Stainless steel cooking surface does not discolor, react with food or alter flavors. Great for classic cooking techniques like slow simmers, rolling boils and reduction of liquids. Cool grip handle. Solid stainless steel riveted handle stays cool on the stovetop. A helper handle provides extra support and balance when lifting and pouring. Drip-free pouring. Rim is tapered for drip-free pouring. Flavor lock lid. Tight-fitting cover seals in moisture and nutrients for healthier, more flavorful results every time you cook. Dishwasher Safe. Premium stainless steel easily cleans to original brilliant finish. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.